Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wix for online learning, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Wix account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Select the site you want to configure for online learning. Click on the Edit Site button to access the site editor. In the left-hand menu, locate and click on the Add button. From the drop-down menu, select Members. This section allows you to create a members-only area for your students. Choose Members Area and click to add it to your site. Next, click on the Apps option in the left-hand menu. Search for Wix Bookings in the Wix App Market. Install the Wix Bookings app to manage your online classes. Once installed, click on the app to configure your classes. Add new services by clicking on the Add Service button. Fill in the details such as the class name, description, and duration. Set the price for each class if applicable. You can also specify the class schedule, including dates and times. Make sure to save your changes before proceeding. Next, create a dedicated page for your online courses. Go to the Menus and Pages section in the left-hand menu. Click Add Page and choose a suitable template for your courses. Edit the page to include course descriptions and include links to the Wix Bookings app. Now, add a payment method by going to Settings. Select Accept Payments and choose your preferred payment provider. Follow the prompts to set up your payment options. After configuring payments, test the booking process to ensure functionality. Navigate to the preview mode to see how your site looks. Make necessary adjustments based on your preview experience. Finally, click on Publish to make your online learning site live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.